Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy YASHViR Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, I would like you to kill me, smash that little subscribe button and also ring that bell notification, because whenever I drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay, so in today's video, guys, I'm gonna teach you full step by step how you're gonna bypass FRP on Samsung SMJ2. Okay, on Samsung J2 Core. Okay, SMJ2 Core. The model name is alright, guys. So you don't need Odin, you don't need to flash anything. Okay, you just need a PC, okay, a laptop, and you just need two files. Okay, make sure that you I'm gonna leave the backup link, so you're gonna find I'm gonna upload it to multiple servers, so that even if one server is down, you can still download the file. Okay, you can still pull the files. Alright, you need only these two. Okay, Samsung FRP tool and the Samsung USB driver. Alright, you need only those two tools. Okay. Alright, so for Samsung USB driver 2, I just extract them onto your desktop, run as admin like this, hit yes, and if prompted, I've already installed it, just click yes, it's gonna install. Okay, and for this one, all you have is to hit open. It's gonna be something like this. Alright, and but first, what you need to do here is you're gonna insert the battery. Okay, there's a alright, you're gonna insert the battery, you're gonna boot this up. Alright, as you can see, and you might need a USB cable. Okay, just connect a USB cable onto your PC, just leave it okay, just leave it. Alright, just make sure the phone is charged, like 50% charge, 50 or 60%, the rate doesn't matter, just charge it enough. Alright, so as you can see, starting Android, as you can see, it is you will be stuck right there where it says hi there. Hit start. When I click start here, let's see what will happen. It gave me this, and unauthorized attempt has been made to reset blah 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 blah. And now when I click this, I click connect to my network, I hit next. Okay, even if I agree to all and I hit agree, alright, it checks for update and it will prompt me. Okay, see what will happen. Checking for info, and as you can see, when I put any of those codes, as you can see, nope, use my Google account instead. Okay, still it will not sign in. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how you're gonna, as you can see, this device was reset to continue signing with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. But as I said, I don't have the account that was previously signed on it. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna press the back button. Okay, press this until you go to the start. Alright, next, what you need to do is you're gonna grab the USB cable. Alright, so yeah, don't worry about my cable. I know it's a little ugly, but it does work. Okay, so I'm just gonna connect that. Okay, like that. So once connected, it's going to say it's going to say charge the phone. Leave it like this, hit cancel. Okay, leave it like this, connected. Now on your PC there. Okay, alright, on your PC you want to click scan, then you hit the port COM5. Mine is COM5, yours will be different COMs. Okay, you're gonna hit open, then you're gonna hit call. As soon as you hit call, your phone will ring. Okay, as you can see, voila. Okay, as you can see, a phone number 900, it will ring. So all you have to do is to disconnect and click add to contact. Alright, now you can just remove this. Okay, so once you click add to contact, you're gonna click share. Okay, then you're gonna click Google Go. Alright, so once you click Google Go, just search for FRP add ROM. Okay, FRP add ROM. Alright, so just enter the first one, which is bypass. There, here you can open in browser, hit accept and continue, hit no thanks, and this is gonna redirect you to addrom.com. Alright, and there just scroll down until you you're gonna click open. You're gonna just tap on the screen smart lock. Okay, screen smart lock, and this will happen. Now here just enter a pattern, a pin, or whatever. So I'm just gonna do a pattern. Requires a pattern, do not require. I'm just gonna hit continue. Bam. Continue once again. Continue. Hit next. The skipped. Okay, and voila, you're done. Okay, now just hit back once again. Okay, hit back. There, just click start. Hit next. Here, click all. Hit agree. Alright, checking for updates. Okay, and now just do this. Okay, boom, voila. Checking for info. Successfully bypassed. There you're gonna see, you're still gonna see sign in, but you're gonna see this skip. You're gonna click skip. Skip once again, and as you can see, FRP bypassed. So there you can enter your name. So I'm just gonna enter mine, which is which is YASHViR Gaming. I'm gonna hit next. Okay, hit more, accept. Alright, finished. And all done, guys. As you can see, your phone is now ready to use. Bam! As you can see, voila. Damn, we've successfully did it. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna go to system, about, and this is a phone number. Okay, this is a SMJ260F, and we have successfully bypassed Google FRP. All right. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is how we do it.